AI is everywhere, in your phone, your car, even your fridge. But with all the hype comes a ton of myths. Let's break down the top 5 AI myths and what's actually true. Myth 1. AI will take all our jobs. Sure, AI automates some tasks, but it's also creating new roles in AI ethics, prompt engineering, and data analysis. Fact: according to the World Economic Forum, AI is projected to create 97 million new jobs by 2025. Benefit: less grunt work, more time for creative and strategic thinking. Myth 2. AI thinks like a human. AI isn't conscious. It doesn't think, it predicts based on patterns in data. Fact: even the smartest models don't understand meaning. They simulate understanding. Benefit: that makes AI useful for processing tons of information without emotional bias. Myth 3. AI is always right. AI can make mistakes, especially when it's trained on biased or bad data. Fact: a 2023 MIT study showed AI models made errors in medical diagnosis up to 30% of the time when data was flawed. Benefit: use AI as a tool, not a final decision maker. Myth: 4 AI will eventually replace humanity. Nope, we're not in a robot uprising movie. Fact: today's AI has narrow intelligence. It can't handle tasks outside its specific training. Benefit: the goal is AI augmentation, not replacement, helping us do more, better. Myth 5. You need to be a genius to use AI. Not anymore. Tools like ChatGPT, Canvas AI, and Copilot are built for everyone. Fact: over 60% of small business owners now use AI without any tech background. Benefit: whether you're a student, creator, or entrepreneur, you can get ahead with AI. No coding required. AI's not magic. It's not evil. And it's definitely not replacing your brain. Use it smartly, and it's one of the best tools of our time. Smash that like, drop your favorite AI myth in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more truth-powered tech content.